Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the stylish world of one of India's youngest pop sensations, Vani Bhanushali. The beauty is often seen in various denim looks, whether it's classic jeans paired with crop tops or denim jackets over casual dresses. Her ability to make a simple denim outfit look fashionable is commendable. She also embraces the athleisure trend, often seen in sporty ensembles like leggings paired with oversized hoodies or sneakers, which highlight her active and dynamic lifestyle. Vani frequently dazzles in floor-length gowns with intricate details like sequins, beads, and lace. The beauty often opts for edgy looks, like leather jackets, studded boots, and sequined shorts. These choices add a rockstar vibe to her performances and connect well with her youthful audience. She chooses more glamorous attire, such as sequined dresses or jumpsuits, which shine under stage lights and add to the overall visual appeal of her performance. She often wears comfortable yet stylish outfits like tracksuits, oversized sweatshirts, and casual dresses, paired with sneakers or slip-ons for ease of travel. She frequently dons traditional outfits like anarkalis and sharara sets, embellished with intricate embroidery and paired with statement jewelry, perfect for festive occasions. She experiments with different hairstyles, from sleek ponytails and straight locks to soft curls and intricate braids, matching the vibe of her outfit and occasion. Her makeup ranges from subtle and natural for daytime events to bold and glamorous for evening appearances, always highlighting her features beautifully. She often opts for bright, lively colors like neon greens, bold reds, and sunny yellows, which add a fun and youthful energy to her look. For example, a bright neon green dress she wore for a music launch caught attention for its boldness and trendy vibe. The beauty enjoys experimenting with prints, from floral and geometric patterns to more intricate Indian motifs. A memorable look includes a multicolored printed maxi dress she wore at a promotional event, which was playful and chic. She frequently incorporates graphic tees into her street style, pairing them with everything from jeans to skirts. These tees often feature quirky prints or statements, adding a personal touch to her look. She is skilled at layering pieces to create a fashionable ensemble. Whether it's a denim jacket over a dress or a plaid shirt tied around the waist, she adds depth and interest to her casual outfits. She often sports oversized shirts, baggy pants, and loose dresses, embodying a relaxed yet chic aesthetic. These choices are not only comfortable but also align with contemporary fashion trends. Vani also loves structured and tailored outfits, such as blazers and fitted trousers, which give her a polished and sophisticated look. For instance, a crisp white blazer with matching trousers for a press event showcased her ability to pull off a sharp, professional look with ease. The beauty often opts for statement jewelry pieces like chunky necklaces, oversized earrings, or layered bracelets, which add a touch of glam to her ensembles. Her choice of jewelry often complements her outfits perfectly, enhancing her overall look without overwhelming it. She uses belts to cinch in dresses or add definition to oversized outfits, and her collection of bags ranges from trendy crossbody bags to elegant clutches, each selected to match her outfit and occasion. She blends Western and Indian styles seamlessly, like pairing a traditional kurta with jeans or wearing a sari with a crop top. These fusion looks reflect her modern approach to fashion while staying rooted in cultural heritage. The beauty has been seen in modern interpretations of saris, such as pre-draped styles or saris with unique blouse designs. These choices highlight her ability to innovate within the framework of traditional attire. She embraces cozy layers like oversized sweaters, trench coats, and scarves. A notable look includes a chic camel coat paired with knee-high boots and a turtleneck, creating a stylish and warm winter ensemble. The beauty opts for light, breezy fabrics and vibrant colors. She often wears sundresses, off-shoulder tops, and flowy skirts that are perfect for staying cool while looking fashionable. Vani shares a range of outfits, from casual everyday looks to glamorous event attire. Her posts often include detailed shots of her outfits, accessories, and makeup, offering fans a closer look at her style choices. She often collaborates with brands and fashion influencers, promoting trendy styles and products. These collaborations reflect her influence in the fashion industry and her ability to set trends. She has been seen supporting brands that emphasize sustainability, such as wearing outfits made from recycled materials or choosing designers who prioritize ethical practices. The beauty occasionally includes vintage or thrifted pieces in her wardrobe, embracing the idea of reusing and repurposing fashion items. This not only adds unique elements to her style but also aligns with sustainable fashion principles. She often opts for a natural, dewy makeup look that highlights her features without overpowering her outfit. Her go-to look includes a flawless base, soft eye makeup, and a hint of blush and highlighter for that fresh-faced glow. Her hairstyles are versatile, ranging from sleek and straight to voluminous curls. She often experiments with different styles, from elegant updos for formal events to beachy waves for casual outings, reflecting her adaptability and creativity. She loves wearing heels, from classic pumps to strappy sandals, especially for red carpet events and formal occasions. For music launches and parties, Dhwani often opts for outfits that are fun, vibrant, and a little daring. This includes sequined mini dresses, bold two-piece sets, or playful rompers that reflect the celebratory nature of these events. She once wore a shimmering silver mini dress with thigh-high boots, perfectly capturing the essence of a party atmosphere. Award shows see her in more sophisticated and elegant attire. She gravitates towards designer gowns with intricate details, like a floor-length mermaid gown adorned with sequins and beads, exuding a glamorous aura that's perfect for the red carpet. Known for his luxurious Indian wear, Tarun Tahiliani's designs have been a choice for Dhwani during festive and traditional events. She wore a heavily embroidered lehenga from his collection for a Diwali celebration, embodying grace and tradition. She opts for traditional wear with a modern twist, such as a designer lehenga or a sari with contemporary draping. During Holi, she chooses comfortable, colorful outfits like a white kurta with vibrant dupattas, celebrating the festival with joy and style. The beauty often embraces festive colors like red and green, seen in a chic red dress with a fur-trimmed jacket. On New Year's Eve, she steps out in glittering party wear, such as a metallic jumpsuit or a sequin dress, ready to ring in the new year in style. Her swimwear choices are stylish and functional, often featuring trendy cuts and vibrant colors. She pairs her swimsuits with flowing cover-ups, like a sheer kaftan or a sarong, perfect for lounging by the pool or strolling on the beach. For resort casual looks, she favors breezy maxi dresses, wide-brimmed hats, and oversized sunglasses. These outfits are ideal for a relaxed yet fashionable vacation vibe. A memorable look includes a floral maxi dress paired with strappy sandals and a sun hat, epitomizing effortless resort style. She often sports coordinated workout sets in vibrant colors or trendy prints, combining leggings with matching sports bras or tops. These sets are both practical for her workouts and stylish enough for casual outings. Her athleisure looks are often completed with fashionable sneakers and accessories like a sleek gym bag or a trendy water bottle. Her choice of accessories not only enhances her outfit but also shows her attention to detail. She leans towards bohemian styles with flowy skirts, off-shoulder tops, and layered jewelry. A notable look includes a fringed kimono paired with denim shorts and a crop top, capturing the free-spirited essence of festival fashion. The beauty often opts for outfits that are both striking and functional. She wears edgy ensembles like sequin shorts with a leather jacket or a bedazzled jumpsuit, combining glamour with the ability to move freely on stage. She frequently incorporates ethnic elements into her contemporary outfits, such as wearing a traditional jhumka with a western dress or adding a dupatta to a fusion ensemble. This blending of styles reflects her connection to her heritage. During Indian festivals, her wardrobe includes traditional attire that showcases her appreciation for cultural customs. She often chooses outfits that are rich in color and detail, celebrating the beauty of Indian craftsmanship. If you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.